like to subscribe.
Another freaking vlog. It's Saturday, the 1st, actually, June 1st. Happy summer. I was doing my niece a cake. She asked for silver, but I gave her gold. Don't book with me. Don't book with me, because I'm gonna give you what I want. She requested a bottle, and I just felt like the silver go with the Blanco Don Julio, and gold go with the Reposado. So that's why I did gold. And I have more gold stuff. So anyway, it don't matter. It's free for her. So right, she's gonna get what I give her, right? Anyway, but this is the cake so far. I'm about to spray it with glitter and finish it. I forgot to show y'all the cake. So I'm just gonna put it here. This is how it was looking. So yeah, I do my thing, baby. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Baby girl, I need that band for the hard night. Okay, niggas with that plan, they get shot. I shot my person. Ooh, that's his name. What the fuck you gonna do?
Oh, I'm home now. I just want to show y'all what I had on. Guys, I have not been vlogging. I have not been doing anything. Anyway, I just went and got these packages from the mailbox, and I'm about to open them. So clearly I got work to do today. I'm hurt. We got a vaccine today. HPV vaccine. So I don't get cervical cancer. But anyway, this is the dress. Of course, y'all probably gonna see it on me one day soon. Anyway. And this is the mirror. So this is the mirror. I wanted pink, but it was sold out. I got black. And then this is so cute. Too mixed up. And that's it. That's the end of my haul.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything. But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie.
So what could it be? Is there someone imitating me? Then tell me that I'm wrong when I say stranger in my house. Tell me where. I'm about to get ready to work out. I know I've been saying I'm about to get fun for a while, but I'm about to get fun for real this time. At least I don't gotta go to the gym no more. At least I got the gym in my house. I guess this fixed the bed really quick. Hold on, I'm gonna open the window so we can get some light.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Need some me time. You know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches did the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time.
It's not the best, but it look better than it did. I only have this gray on here because, you know, I had the black one on here. But I'm waiting on my white one. So, yeah. I'm waiting on the white one. Period. I don't know how long that white gonna last with a toddler, but it'll be okay. And I gotta go put this in the refrigerator. It's never been open. Let me put my watch on too. Hold on, let me put my watch on. She ain't running out the bag, she putting it in the mail. Whatever. Baddie, baddie, shot of color.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself.
Sandwiches.
Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. You ain't shit. You want special.
shower and then get me something. I woke up like this. I brushed my teeth off, but I woke up like this. See my big haters saying I'm looking crazy.
Yeah. I want to subscribe and don't like to mention.
Boy, you gotta slow down a little bit so they can know what you're saying.
And then you wait for Dad. You gotta take the radio?
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Like
and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Oh my hair. Don't look at. Oh my God. Good morning. Anyway, I just did a review on this mattress topper, and well, yeah. Anyway, well, it's not a mattress topper. It's a fitted sheet. It's a fitted sheet, spill proof. So my baby cup, when he be wasting stuff, it won't. But anyway, so I'm gonna make this bed. I have to do my hair. Oh my gosh, like, I just got so much to do, for real. I just washed my hair, so I'm about to blow dry my hair. I don't know, I have to go to the store. I don't even know what I'm about to do. Yeah, I went to the store like this. Never mind these nails, I'm about to fix them, but a mess. I'm about to do my hair.